Good. Dr. Kemp here with Oak Brook Medical Group with another adjusting video for you guys. Today we have a special patient, Dr. Eric Shane. Eric, you can say hello.
Hello.
Eric here is also a chiropractor. He's got a history of a spondylolisthesis and back pain going on here. He's got some upper back tightness and some shoulder issues. And he just flew in from Vegas, and we're going to loosen him up here. So, first we're going to check him out. And we're going to start right in this mid-thoracics here. Go take that breath in and out. Good. And we're going to come up top here. It's pretty tight right there. A little tender right there.
Yeah.
We're going to loosen that up for him. Good. Good. And let's come this way. Eric used to be a bodybuilder. He's still hitting the gym a lot. He's trying to catch me. With a few more adjustments, a little more dedication. He'll catch me. Breath in and out. Good. Other side. Right there. Here. One more time, Biff. Good. On back. And we're going to check that bear hug on here. One more time, breath in and out. Beautiful. All right. Now, we're also going to decompress Eric's cervical spine. This isn't for everybody. Go ahead and lift up here. And relax. I'm going to have you help me out. This is going to give pretty strong pull and some good decompression for certain people. Good, go ahead and relax. I've done this on Eric before, working just great for him. And a nice smooth pull. How's that feeling now?
Good.
Good, we're gonna do two more. Now, a lot of these YouTube videos have something called the ring dinger. We're not gonna do that. It's a little too aggressive for my taste. But as anyone like Eric will tell you, this does the job just fine. Little pull in. How we doing?
Good.
Good. Stay like that. We're going to loosen up his legs here. Good. Perfect. One more. Good. All right, you can sit up when you're ready. How we doing?
Good.
All right, that's it for us here today at Oak Brook Medical Group. We'll see you guys in the next one.